So students, now let us know how to install the Arduino IDE on your computer. So let's now install the Arduino IDE. So students, you can open any web browser and you can just type on Google Arduino IDE. You will get to this page. So here you have to just click in arduino.cc and you should see something like this. If not, you can always find a menu, for example here, and click on software and you will get to this page. And now what you can see here, yes, we have downloads and we have the Arduino IDE, right? Which starts, you can see the version here starts with 2. So that's the new version of the Arduino IDE. So students, yes, you can see you have the version 2. And if I go down here, yes, I have also version 1 that's called Legacy. And both versions are working completely fine. Actually, in this course, I'm going to use the version 1. But you can also install the version 2. And I'm going to show you how to install the version 2. And installing both versions is going to be exactly the same and you will be able to do exactly the same thing. So no problem with that. Just install any version that you like. So I would recommend that, of course, you go with the latest one. And right, you can see we have download options for Windows, for Linux and Mac OS. So see, and you should download and you can just click on just download. Okay, you can see I'm starting to download executable. And when the executable is downloaded, you can just click on it. You can just go where it is downloaded and just start with it. And you will see, so you might have some pop-ups, right, to allow the access. So let's continue the installation. And now, yes, I agree, click on that and then you can install it only for your user or for anyone on the computer. So for all the users of your computer, I will just choose this one, but choose whatever you want here. And then click on next. So now you can change the destination folder. I'll just leave it by default and then you wait for the installation. Alright? And now the Arduino IDE is installed. And check this and finish. Now you should have a new desktop shortcut here that you can launch. Or if you don't have this, you can also just click on the search bar on Windows and search for the Arduino IDE and you will find Arduino IDE program here. You just type Arduino here and you will find this. So now you can start the Arduino IDE and you should arrive to something like this. And if you have that, well, you have successfully installed the Arduino IDE on your computer. So now you are ready for the following. Okay students?